A very good morning to all of you. As we know, this is our composition class. So we have learned in our previous classes how to write a composition by following its steps. In this class, we will learn about narrative essay writing. So what is the technique? The narrative essay writing actually engages a real life experience of the writer. Okay, and it can be an experience, it can be an episode that has occurred in your life, in the writer's life. Suppose you are writing a narrative essay, so you are writing your own experience, the way the episode took place in your life. Please ensure you have to utilize all your senses, thoughts and sights. What is your purpose? Your purpose is to make the readers feel that they are present in your story. It is a type of storytelling technique. Here the orders will gradually develop. Here you are telling a story and you are trying the reader to be a character in the story, right? For example, I can tell you, you can write the most memorable day in your life or the moment of success. We will learn about autobiographical technique, autobiographical narrative. What is autobiographical narrative? Here the writer engages his own personal experience and that will be told following the technique of a storytelling. Now let us see a specimen autobiographical narrative. Afterwards, I'll give you an assignment which you will write following your own instincts. So let us proceed to the specimen writing. So let us begin with a specimen writing, that is autobiography of a bicycle. It was a bright sunny morning when I was kept in the store. It was the first day I saw golden light of the sun. Before this day, I was into the dark garage where I was undergoing the process of construction along with my mates. Our company is well known for introducing extraordinary technological ideas in designing bicycles. I am a brand new bicycle named Velocity and my body is configured with GPRS system, radio, automatic gear and a touch screen box to control my speed along with a password locking security. This obstructs others stealing me and without my owner's consent my tires will not move. A few days later, a man and his child came to the shop. The little boy got attracted towards me and immediately asked his father to buy me. My joy knew no bound when I was confirmed to head to his place. As soon as we reached, the boy quickly caught me off from the car in which I was carried away and took a ride with me to the skateboard park. There an encounter took place between a skateboarder who was reckoned to be the local champion and my owner along with me. Unfortunately, the skateboarder won by knocking me and my rider off the park completely, bending my front forks. As soon as I got damaged, I seemed completely useless to the boy and his family. They treated me as a mere garbage. I never thought of such cruel rejection in spite of my strength and durability. Now I am under the auction to be purchased for the second time and the lad is in search of a new vehicle. My owner loved me once and my love for him was also unconditional. Now this is the time for completing your own assignment. What is the assignment for you? The assignment that I have designed for you, that is autobiography of a chair. Now how to write the composition? As you have read the autobiography of a bicycle, you got a few ideas. Now you have to think yourself to be the chair. How you are treated, how you are being purchased by your owner, what is your present condition, what do you want to say to the world. If you are given the capability of speaking, what do you want to portray through your words. So these are the points you can include, and obviously you do not forget that you have to follow the steps of writing a composition. That is, you start with heading, then comes introduction, then body, and then conclusion. That will make your composition as a successful and a completed one. So hopefully you enjoyed the class. Hopefully this was informative to you. Now the task is yours. You are given full liberty to compose your own writing. All the best. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Do read well, do compose writings, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.